First thing you want to do, set the saute setting on high and coat the bottom of your pot in oil. Now while we wait for that to warm up, if I could direct your attention over here. Really nice thing to buy if you're going to be cooking a lot of dal is one of these spice boxes. You get 7 containers for the 7 spices you use in dal, and these really handy spoons to measure out the ingredients. We'll get going. First thing you want to do, drop in 2 of these spoonfuls of the mustard seeds. Roll the oil around a little bit and they should start sizzling. The next thing you want is 2 little teaspoons of the cumin seeds. This is ASAFOETIDA. You want just a half a teaspoon of this. This is really pungent. If you were here right now, you'd be able to smell that. And the next thing you want to dump in is, this is 2 cloves of garlic diced. So you don't want to cook that too long or it's going to start burning. Then continue to dump in the following spices. 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. I do half a teaspoon of chili powder. That you can taste the spice. You can probably get away with a whole teaspoon, but it'll have a kick to it. It's all about frying up the spices. Once you've fried them all up, you're gonna dump in the tomato. Woo! That is hot. I usually throw in 4 pinches of salt. So we've added the salt, all the spices, we've sauteed it all together in the oil. Got a good aroma. So now you can go ahead and dump in the lentils. I pre-rinsed and washed these lentils 3 times. 4 cups of water. Give it a good spin. Put a lid on that real quick. Pressure cook on high and crank that up to 5 minutes. When it's done, you can either quick pressure the release, but I like to personally just let it slow release to really soak in the flavor. And yeah, thanks for watching. That's our one take how to cook dal in an Instant Pot.